Welcome to Pre-Order Traversal in a Binary Tree. Tree traversal is a fundamental concept in data structures. It means visiting every node in a tree in a specific order. There are several types of tree traversals. In pre-order, we visit the root first, then the left subtree, and finally the right. Let's take an example to understand it clearly. We begin at the root node A. From A, we move to the left child, node B. Then we go deeper to B's left child, node C. After visiting C, we return to B. And now move to B's right child, node D. Once done with the left subtree, we go to A's right child, E. From E, we visit its left child, node F. Then we move to E's right child, node G. So the final pre-order traversal order is A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thanks for watching this visualization. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments.